Here Stray Kids is going to be in Paris and you guys need help to pick your look for the performance. Don't you worry, I got you. Let me show you 3 easy looks that you can do for this performance, and if you're not seeing Stray Kids, then you can definitely save this look for another time. So for these looks, you can do your own base makeup, whatever you want to do in your base and your eyes. So the first look is the easiest, and we're doing Lino's look. And all you really need is some rhinestones or sparkles. This look may be easy, but placement is very important. Kind of has a dot right by his eyes here. A second one right above that dot, and then another one below on the other eye. But that one's going to be like a really long one. It's a very subtle nod to the look. Maybe not even that big, more like... So this is what it would look like. Ooh, I got so hungry, but the looks are going to get harder and harder. Keep that in mind. So this next look is Felix's Cosmopolitan look. It's fairly simple. All you really need are rhinestones that are different colors and blue contacts and eyelash glue. All right, contacts first. I'm excited to use this like iridescent purple one. So I take the little jewel and then I just put eyelash glue on it. This also really like accentuates his freckles. Why are you sticking to me? Stick. Ta-da! Really likes my finger. Next one is definitely a pink one. Time for a pretty iridescent purple one. Wow, this one is so pretty. I'm gonna do the rest and I'll point out the colors for you. Here are the results. Okay, let me go over all the rhinestones so you know what color they are. I hate when I don't know the colors. Purple, pink, iridescent, clear, green, blue, iridescent, purple, clear, green, pink, very big clear one, blue, iridescent, yellow. Okay, those are the colors. So we're on to the last and final look, and it's gonna be based on the 5-star album cover. I love it when I can take inspiration from K-pop and make it into like another art piece. Don't actually know how it's gonna turn out yet, but we'll see. You're gonna need 5-star stickers, obviously 5-star, and some blush. Are you ready? It's like ASMR. That barely made any sound. You're gonna take 5 of these star stickers and then you're gonna put them somewhere on your face where you can overlap it with blush. Let's try right here. So I'm going to start out with a lip tint because I kind of want it to be focused more in this area. So I'm going to put some lip tint on my hand like this. And I'm going to rub it on my finger and then just go dab, dab, dab. Dab, 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 dab. I'm going to dab it right where the stars are. And now just putting a bit on my cheeks to even it out. And then you can put it in areas you normally put blush on, like here, on your lips, because it's lip tint. I have a very bad blush selection. Now for extra layer of security, we're going to go in with powder blush. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of white eyeliner and I'm going to make white freckles. I have real freckles, so I'm literally just covering them with the white freckles. Now I'm going to put some glitter over top of the freckles and the stars so it kind of looks like a galaxy look. Now we're going to finish off the lips with the lip tint. Now to peel off the stickies. Ooh, so satisfying. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Do you think I should trace over it with white eyeliner? I'm not really sure. Okay, maybe I'll just do it. Okay, we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I did it. I think it's a vibe. I think it looks good. Okay, I'm back. And this is what the look looks like. The look looks like. If you are going to see Stray Kids anytime soon, I hope you have a lot of fun. Have fun for the both of us. And if you like the looks I did today, please make sure to follow. That would really help me out, and it's nice for us to stay connected, you know? Okay, and that is all of the 3 looks. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.